As you can see, there are several JFK pieces here, and the one on the back wall there, they're newspapers, and they're encased in epoxy resin. And the one on the left there is the Chicago Tribune, November, looks like 25th, 1963, and there's Jack, and that's kind of self-explanatory there. That is encased in epoxy resin. It's super hard, as you can see. You can knock on it and everything. The next one over is Kennedy Laid to Rest, that's Chicago Tribune also, and that is Tuesday, November 26, 1963, and there's a famous picture of John Jr., or John Jr. Kennedy, and that's also encased in epoxy resin. And the next one over is Assassin Kills Kennedy, Lyndon Johnson sworn in. That's Saturday, November 23rd, 1963. Let's see if we get that one on there. It's lit up a bit, and also encased in epoxy resin. And the next one over, let's see if I can get that one in there. That's the Death Gun to Oswald, and that's Sunday, November 26th, 1963. Let's see if I'll get that one in a better angle in a moment or so. So I'll move it right now. I'll move this one over here, and here's a good review of that one. And it's lit up a bit, and that's also encased in epoxy resin. And let me move that one back. And on the table or the bed right here, I have a foam imprint of JFK, the inaugural, and it's 26 by 26 inches, the Indiana Evening Gazette, and it's encased in red theatrical gels to add some chemistry to it. And there's Jack. So if I can get a good view of, let's see if I can get that one straight there. And the next one over is the Houston Post, and that's framed. That's in like a looks like the date on that is Saturday, November 23rd, 1963. That's encased in a glass-like plastics. And the next one over is Nixon Resigns. Let's see if I get that one in right here. And as you know, Jack Kennedy and Nixon debated in 1960, and they were political rivals. And that's the St. Pioneer Press, Friday, August 9th, 1974. And that's also a foam imprint, 26 by 26 inches. Let me see if I can go backwards here and get everything combined in. Let's see if I can get everything combined in there. If you're a fan of Jack Kennedy, here's some good memorabilia. Fill up a den, a restaurant, or anything. And the back four are all encased in epoxy resin, as I stated previously. Let's see if I get the bottom ones in again.